Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on the concept geometry, and for this you can refer a textbook page number 121 up to 123. Okay, right. Draw the line of symmetry for the following. There is a picture. Okay, you need to draw the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means if you, after drawing that line, if you overlap that picture on the another side, that should look same. Okay, here by drawing where we can divide that picture into symmetrical figure. Okay, let us consider the line first. If I will draw a line like this in the middle of the picture, okay, exactly in the middle of the pic, okay, then it looks same. Let me draw or else, okay, I have to take a line in such a way that it should exactly sit in the middle. Then my pic will become symmetrical, and this line is known as symmetrical line of symmetry. Symmetrical line or line of symmetry. If you fold that figure, or if you just pour one ink drop on a paper, okay, and after some time you just draw one line using your ruler, then fold that paper exactly based on that line, okay, then you will get the same shape on both sides. That is symmetry. Okay, draw all the possible lines of symmetry of the following shapes. Okay, here one shape is there. What is that? In circular shape it looks like a button. Okay, it may be your shirt button or frock button. Okay, for this how many lines you can draw? Number of lines of symmetry. You need to find out the number of lines of symmetry. If I will divide the pic here, it looks the same on both sides. Does it looks the same on both sides? Yes. And even I can draw one more line like this, horizontal line. Yes, then also it looks the same. And if I will divide the pic in the diagonal position, then also if you observe this side and this side looks the same, and again one more line I can draw in another diagonal position, okay, like this. Observe the number of lines of symmetry. Draw all the possible lines of symmetry. See, here one horizontal line, one vertical line, one diagonal line, and one more diagonal line. These are the possible lines of symmetry for the given pic. Another pic. Star is there. How will you draw the symmetrical line for the star? Wherever you will divide the pic along with the line, both sides should look the same. Where the possibility is there, you have to look at the possibilities and then you have to draw that particular line. Okay? Yes, here I can, and one more I can draw like this, and another I can draw from this corner, and also I can draw one more from this corner. Okay. While drawing, don't move your pencil or pen, whatever you are considering, children. Shall I draw like this? Yes. This is another symmetrical line. Okay. This is how you have to Draw the symmetrical lines for the given picture. Wherever you draw the line, after drawing that line, you just look at the picture. Both sides should look the same. Then that will become the line of symmetry. And like this, I can draw these many lines for this star. Okay? Right. Next one. How many lines of symmetry do the following figures have? An oval. Have you ever seen oval shape, children? Oval shape. Okay. How many lines of symmetry oval will have? Shall we consider the dotted line? Let us take one dotted line like this. This is line of symmetry for this oval, right? And one more line of symmetry I can take horizontally. But can I take diagonal line of symmetry? No, because the both sides of the diagonal line won't look the same. So I cannot consider that line. I can consider only two lines. They are one vertical line and one horizontal line. Okay. So an oval has how many lines of symmetry? Two lines of symmetry. Next one. An equilateral triangle. Let us consider one triangle. Equilateral means all the sides should be the same. Okay. Now, let us see how many lines I can draw for this equilateral triangle. One line, okay, one vertical line from this corner and one more vertical line from here and another vertical line from here, right? So, these many vertical lines I can consider straight lines. I can consider one vertical line and one this side from here to here from this corner and one more. That means equilateral triangle will have three symmetrical lines. How many? 3. How many lines of symmetry? 3 lines of symmetry. Okay? Right. Let's move to the next question. Look at the letter below. Draw them as per the turn specified below. After 1 quarter clockwise turn. What is the given alphabet, children? It is L. After 1 quarter clockwise. Have you ever observed the clock? How it is moving? That is, in which way it is moving? That is clockwise. And if you take that rotation in the opposite side means it will become anti-clockwise. Okay, here we need to consider that L. Okay, let us take this L and we need to turn this clockwise. Clockwise means you have to draw like this, right? 1 quarter. Only 1 quarter you have to consider. Then this picture will looks like this. And the next pic is A, right? Let us take the letter A, right? How you can move A? After 3 quarters anti-clockwise. After 3 quarters anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means in the opposite direction, just like clock, right? Clock, however it will move, that is clockwise. And if you consider it in the opposite direction means it is anti-clockwise. So, I need to turn this A. 1 turn, that means 1 quarter, okay? And again another turn, 2nd quarter. And this is one more turn. So, this will become our after 3 quarters. First quarter I have turned it, second and then third. After 3 quarters anti-clockwise turn means A looks like this. Okay? Right. This is how you have to practice whether you are having some alphabet or letters or some pictures. Then you have to turn them clockwise or anti-clockwise. Look at the given sentence and then you draw accordingly. Okay children, right. Hope you understood the session children. Thank you. Practice well.